PEOA is comprised of 10 major program offices, or PMAs, aligned around 3 functional areas: Air Anti-Submarine Warfare, or ASW, Marine Corps Assault and Heavy Lift and Special Missions. In the Air ASW portfolio, we have PMA 264, PMA 290, and PMA 299. PMA 264 Air ASW Systems mission is to develop, procure, field, and sustain effective and affordable ASW capability for the Air ASW warfighter. One of their principal products are sonobuoys, which are air-launched expendable electromechanical sensors designed to relay underwater sounds to remote processors. The Multi-Static Active Coherent program in PMA 264 is an active acoustic search system that brings coherent acoustic source technology and improved signal processing for wide-area ASW search. Focus areas for PMA 264 include current readiness, the capacity to fight the fight today, delivering production sonobuoys and supporting the fleet; future readiness, capability to be lethal tomorrow; maturing the next generation of airborne ASW sensing systems, including acquiring proven sensor systems, demonstrating prototype sensor systems, and conducting small business innovative research. PMA 290 is the Maritime Patrol and Reconnaissance Aircraft Program, including the P-8A, P-3, and EP-3 programs. The program aims to develop, integrate, procure, field, and sustain cutting-edge global MPR and airborne ISR capabilities to support our warfighter communities. The P-8A Poseidon acquisition strategy includes incremental upgrades and enhancements to the following systems: acoustics, architecture, and communications; data links, radars, and sensors; net-enabled weapons including Hawk and LRASM. PMA 299 multi-mission helicopters include the MH-60R, 60S, and Future Vertical Lift Maritime Strike, which is the potential H-60 replacement. Their goals are to maintain aircraft readiness to ensure the fleet is prepared to fight tonight; purposely upgrade the aircraft to maintain today's capabilities to ensure we're prepared to fight tomorrow; strategically provide new capabilities to improve on today's performance against adversaries to fight tomorrow; net-centric warfare, advanced ASW, and sensor improvements. Focus areas include Service Life Analysis Program and Service Life Extension Program, obsolescence, FMS production, and fielding new capabilities, MIDS jitters, Minotaur, digital magnetic anomaly detection, etc. In the United States Marine Corps Assault and Heavy Lift portfolio, we have PMA 261, PMA 275, and PMA 276. PMA 261. Heavy lift helicopters like the legacy MH-CH-53 and the new CH-53K. The mission of PMA 261 is to develop, deliver, and sustain effective, suitable, affordable, and timely H-53 heavy lift capability and readiness for the warfighter throughout the program lifecycle. Focus areas include engine sand ingestion mitigation, night vision goggles solution compatible with existing external aircraft lighting, and enhanced flight line maintenance procedures, and more responsive updates. PMA 275, which is the V-22 Osprey Program Office's mission, is to develop, deliver, and support effective, suitable, and affordable V-22 systems for our warfighter throughout the program lifecycle. Their platforms include MV-22, CV-22, and the CMV-22. Their focus areas include survivability, operations in degraded visual environment, safety, digital interoperability, and sustainment. Some of their sustainment needs include fuel cell technologies, ice protection improvements, corrosion prevention, composite repair, data analytics and demand forecasting, advanced health monitoring, additive manufacturing, and blade erosion prevention. PMA 276 manages light/attack helicopters and utility support for the United States Marine Corps. Tasks include close air support, air interdiction, armed reconnaissance, strike coordination and reconnaissance, forward air control, aerial escort, combat assault transport, air delivery, airborne command and control, air evacuation. PMA 276 has delivered over 189 AH-1Z Vipers and 160 UH-1Y Venom and are focused on sustainment, readiness, and capability. Ongoing modernization efforts include digital interoperability, survivability improvements, satellite communications upgrades, and removable floorboards. Future modernization priorities include structural and power upgrades, survivability improvements, and lethality improvements. Vertical lift family of systems. Requirements are being defined but will likely incorporate advances in long-range fires, survivability, information gathering, and dissemination. Will utilize manned-unmanned teaming and will replace H-1 beginning in mid-2030s. And lastly, in the special mission portfolio, we have PMA 271, PMA 207, and PMA 274. PMA 271 Airborne Strategic Command, Control and Communications with the E-6B aircraft and EXX programs. The E-6B provides survivable, reliable, and endurable command, control, and communications in support of the President, the Secretary of Defense, the Joint Chiefs of Staff, and United States Strategic Command. PMA 207 Tactical Airlift including the C-130, C-9 aircraft, C-12, C-20, C-26, UC-35 and C-40 provide continuous support to CONUS, CENTCOM, EUCOM, and PACOM fleet requirements. PMA 274 includes presidential executive lift helicopters, VH-92 aircraft, and legacy H-3 and H-60. Each of the programs have both a small business advocate, which is the deputy program manager, and advanced development, science, and technology leads, which can be contacted for further information about their technology needs. I appreciate your attention and your desire to make naval aviation even more capable, lethal, and ready.